Hello, and welcome to another update video on gold. Yeah, so the gold chart continues to to grind higher here in the very short term. For those of you who are following the analysis that I provide regularly, you guys know that we had a support area here, which led now to a reaction to the upside. So it's possible that we have started a third wave to the upside here, as highlighted in green. However, I still don't see a very, very high confidence pattern here on the gold chart. But so far, this 1-2 setup here to the upside is holding. And the support area for that one is between $3,277 and $3,314. Yeah. So the idea is currently that we could have started a third wave, but again, I'm skeptical about this because this move to the upside from the 29th of June low can also be seen as a three-wave move to the upside, okay? And ultimately, the structure here, again, it's not high confidence. We're still dealing, not sure if it's loading this. We're still dealing with an overall larger correction. I mean, you can see that if we zoom out a little bit, the gold price has been moving sideways for quite some time now. Could even be a triangle that's unfolding here, but we're identifying setups still, and I communicate these here on YouTube, but also some of you might not know that in our members area. So the link to our stocks membership is in the description. And the last update came yesterday. So for those of you who don't know, because I can't cover gold necessarily every day on YouTube, but the idea was, hey, we had a 1-2 setup here, for example, yeah. That one was invalidated, yeah, this one from a couple of days ago, but then the price tried it again, yeah. Price tried it again, and the idea was then here today, another attempt to form a local 1-2 setup, yeah. And the price is now reacted, and we have reacted to support. And I want to share with you now what the next resistances are and where the third wave could get to. Now, important to understand, this 1-2 setup, local 1-2 setup, will be invalidated with a break below this swing low from the 9th of July. So you have a very, very clear invalidation point there. And the question is, though, where can the price get to now, okay? Now, if this really is the green scenario and we have a wave 1 to the upside and a wave 2 to the downside, which bottomed on the 9th of July, then we can calculate a target for the third wave by taking the length of the wave 1. We go to the low of the wave 2 with the Fibonacci extension tool. And normally what I'd like to see for a third wave in the gold market is the 123.6 Fibonacci extension level to be reached. That is at $3,450. Now, a lot can go wrong along the way. As I said, we have an invalidation point, but what could go wrong? Well, first of all, this count here should take the price higher. Another dip is possible, but overall, that low on the 9th of July must hold. So that would be nice, to 3,450, but I'm not convinced yet. I mean, it is entirely possible that we are here in the white scenario. And for example, and this is something that I would like to highlight as well. I mean, it's possible this wave 2 corrective rally, is still unfolding because we have not broken above resistance. Let me share that with you in detail here. If we zoom out a little bit, and you know that the move to the downside here can be considered a wave 1. In the bearish count, there's a bullish and a bearish count. We're basically just moving between support and resistance at the moment. I actually want to highlight the, hold on, I want to move this support area a little bit to the right. It is still relevant, though. I'm not going to remove it from the chart, even though the price is moving away from it already. But yeah, it is still relevant because, what could be the case is, I mean, the bullish count is possible, like a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. However, I'm skeptical because of the context. I will not rule out that this indeed was a more substantial top in June. We had a wave 1 to the downside, an A wave up, a B wave down, and we could now rally in wave C. Only above 3,425, the white count will get less likely. But as you can see, Even in the white count, we might grind a little higher here. But all of that this is not really anything, let's say, with high confidence at the moment, I would say, because the larger degree time frame shows the sideways range, as I just showed you, yeah. But for those who are interested in higher prices and tracking higher prices, I mean, I see two levels that really matter from a bullish point of view. First of all, this red line here at 3,290, and in the very short term, we even have this swing low as absolute nearest key level here, located at $3,320. So yeah, that's the update on gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Yeah, and if you're interested in regular updates on gold, silver, but also platinum and the S&P 500 and so on, check out our stocks membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.